कॉम्पिटिटर्स, ये आप हैकर रैंक पे आप फाइंड कर सकते हैं इसको। सो इस प्रॉब्लम में ये है कि हमें हैकर आईडी और नेम ऑफ हैकर्स बताने हैं जिसने भी फुल स्कोर अचीव किया इन मोर देन वन चैलेंज, नॉट वन चैलेंज, इन मोर देन वन चैलेंज। सो जो हमारा आउटपुट आएगा हैकर आईडी और हैकर नेम का, उसको हमको अरेंज करने हैं डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ चैलेंजेस इन विच द हैकर अर्न अ फुल स्कोर। अगर फिर भी हमारा टाई होता है, like there are more than one person who have achieved full score in a particular number of challenges, even the number of challenges is matching with the another hackers. So in those cases, I am going to sort it by the hacker id in ascending order. So इसमें देख लेते हैं कौन कौन सी टेबल्स हैं। सो पहला टेबल हैकर्स, जिसमें हैकर आईडी और नेम का इंफॉर्मेशन है। देन डिफिकल्टी लेवल और स्कोर का मैपिंग है। इन challenges you have three columns: challenge id, hacker id, and difficulty level. In submissions, you can see like these are the columns. So how we are going to approach this problem? So it is definite that we are going to use some kind of join, so that we can filter out those requirements, that whoever have achieved full score and number of challenges is more than one. So so first we are going to make a table, make a join of different tables from which we are going to extract the information. So here from submissions says inner join challenges. See, we are first joining submissions and challenges table on challenge ID, because in the submission table, you can see different submissions id are there, and like for those submission id which hacker id is related and which challenge id is related. So we want get some more information about those challenge id, so that we can know that what is the maximum score for the difficulty level that is in that challenge. So let's go back to our code that I have written. So we have connected submissions and challenges first on common column, that is challenge ID, so that then we are joining that table with difficulty table, so that we can get to know that what is the maximum score that can be achieved from those problems. So what's the common column? That is going to be difficulty level, because in challenge we have one column difficulty level, and in difficulty table also I have one column that is difficulty level. So connect with the hackers table where we have hacker id and name, and hacker id is one column that is that is present in the joins, that is present in the tables that we have joined till now. So in submission table there is one column that is hacker id, and in hackers table there is also one column that is hacker id. So finally we have done the inner join. Using inner join we have formed the table from which we would like to get the information. Then there was one condition that where the hackers have got the maximum score for that challenge. So how we are going to filter? S dot score equals to D dot score, because in D dot score is nothing but the maximum score that let me show you the difficulty table. In the difficulty table you have difficulty level and the score, right? So for those submission id, whatever the maximum score that can be achieved is present in the difficulty table. So that's why a D dot score means the maximum score that can be achieved for the challenge that is associated with the submission ID. So where S dot score is D dot score. What we have till now? Let me summarize this thing. So we have all those hackers. We have the hacker ID, hacker name, and these hackers have achieved full score in one challenge or more than one challenge. So now we would like to filter where the count of challenge ID should be greater than one, not equal to one. So it is definitely and it is for sure possible that the particular hacker ID had participated in more than one challenge. So we need to group by hacker ID and hacker name. So that why hacker name? Because later we are going to take out the hacker name, and if it is not there, we are not going to we will not able to extract the hacker name because it should be in group by because there is nothing to do in the aggregate when we are going to select the hacker name. So we are grouping by hacker ID and hacker name, and then using the having clause, uh, we are satisfying the another condition that count of challenge ID should be greater than one. And finally, here from to having, we have all the rows that is necessary or that is required by our problem. Now we are required to order it as per the problem was saying. So first we need to order by the count of challenge ID. If the challenge ID is more, it should be showing at the top, and if it's less, then it should be showing at bottom. So once you have ordered it by count of challenge ID, you need to check for the tie condition. If tie happens like count of challenge ID for two hackers are same, then you are going to sort it by the hacker ID in ascending order. So that's all the problem. We have got those hacker ID and name who has achieved full score in more than one challenge and which is sorted as per the problem was telling. So this is the code that will give you the give you the required result.